Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we're gonna drive mountain driving again. So today I have a treadmill today. So I bought it for about 22,000 pesos. That's about, I don't know in dollars. But well, anyway, they will deliver it this afternoon. So I'm here in Gaisano. So I'm gonna show you guys. So again everyone, if you want to have a custom video, just message me to my Facebook page. And if you want to be part of my membership, you can just click the join button level 3, and then you see there you can watch a longer videos, short video, and of course with different kinds of high heels. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you, this is a treadmill I bought yesterday, and the price of this one is 22,200. And also for delivery, it was in Gaisano. I bought today in Gaisano Mall near to my area. It's about 25 minutes drive and 22,200 cash. And then also for delivery charge, they charge me for 1,200 here, and including you have to give tips also here. That's how it is in the Philippines. You give tips for about 500 pesos for the delivery boy. So this one we're gonna try, and the switch on, this is my first for my first treadmill. So okay, the on for this one is in the back, and then I'm gonna show you later. So now it's on, and we're gonna try to use this one. So we're gonna do the barefoot, and then this one you have to put in your, of course you know, so I'm just saying it because it's my first time to have this treadmill. And then this is for emergency if it goes faster, so you can just remove this kind of lock, or it's a key for starting the treadmill. So okay, let's gonna try this one. Started now, and let's gonna do the speed start. So 2. You also have a manual for this. Oh, manual. So that is the speed is 2, and then let's make it 4. Fast. So 6. I have to run. So I don't know by 8. So okay, I will just stop now, and then that will be all for now. So stop. Then it stops. So if it drives faster, then you only have to remove the red one. So that's the testing so far. It's working good. And then you always have to put it in the blouse. So that's the mall price for this kind of treadmill. It's not so big. It's just a small treadmill. I think the bigger one for this one is too expensive. And the small one for this is 12,200. It's a manual. You don't have to use electricity for that one. And for now, that would be all. And I'm gonna show you the mall, because I was there also looking around for my workout stuff, like the kettlebell and the foam I bought last time. So I have it also, and I haven't started yet. So just wait for me. I'm gonna get it for you guys. Asan dako ani? Asa kagibutan ate?
hindi kay sira kay hindi ay ako ay napili ko niya sira dili na napili sira
Vlog para ba ko?
niya karon napili na ko
Walang edit
so
na.
kami doon sa NL nagkain na
Sige.
salamat po kain.
So this one, I bought this one for the price for this one is 1,200, and this one the mat is 700 or 800 pesos, which I have the price here. So 1,295 the kettlebell, and this one is 649. So I paid 2,143 in total. So this is what I do a few days. And I have to start working out. I haven't yet started. This one, I'm gonna show you guys. And the good thing for this one is it's thicker. So if I don't have to go out for driving, especially when it's there's typhoon, so I have more fun to do the workout. And I haven't opening it yet. So this is really good. It's thick, so it's not painful in the back. So we're gonna start working out. And then, yeah, this is it. So that would be all for now, and see you next vlog. Bye. Well, of course, it's not only like showing the stuff. It's kind of unboxing the stuff for treadmill and working out stuff. But also, I'm gonna upload more driving videos. So don't worry, guys. And I love you all. Thank you for the love and support. So see you next vlog. Bye. Hi, it's me again. So, well, anyway, thank you all for the love and support, and thank you everyone for watching my videos. And I hope to see you next vlog. There's more driving to come and more shoes to wear, of course. And if you want to donate some shoes, just message me. And if you want to help me for my driving videos, support my channel, you can also go to my videos description, and then there's a PayPal account there. You can send any amount you want. And for now, let's go, and I will do the treadmill later na. I'm gonna show you guys for that. So for now, thank you all for the love and support. Bye bye.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.